everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve another Leetcode question together. This is Leetcode 49 group anagrams. It's a medium level question. Here we have given an array of strings, and what we have to do is that we have to group the anagrams in the array together. We can return the answer in any order. Let's check one example. Before that, I would explain what anagram is. Anagrams are words which consisting of same alphabets but arranged in a different order. I have solved one similar problem. Actually, I've added anagram problem earlier. You guys can refer that problem. I will put the link of that video under this tutorial. So let's check one example. Here we have given a string each, t, tan, 8, nat, bat. So the output consisting of bat, a group consisting of bat, because there's no other word which consisting of same alphabet, so that is a single group. The next group is nat, tan. They consist of same alphabets arranged in a different order, so they are anagrams, so hence grouped together. The next group consisting of 8, eat, team. As you can see, it consists of same alphabets arranged in a different order, so they are anagrams, hence grouped together. So let's start lead coding. I'm using dictionary to group the anagrams together. So let's see how I'm gonna do it. Create dictionary to group anagrams. Okay, so I'm gonna name it dix itself. I don't want so many confusions. So that's my dictionary. Then another array to group the anagrams together while inserting into the dictionary. Or I don't want that. Then next, what we have to next we have to iterate through each words in the array. Forward in strings. Each word will be arranged in a different order. So let's sort it to use it as a key value to add into the dictionary. I'm gonna sort it. Sorted word equal to join sorted word. Okay. If this sorted word not in our dictionary, what we have to do is that we have to add this word into a dictionary as a key value. Dix sorted word equal to what? Word. Else, if it's already there, we have to append this word into the same group. Using the same key value, I'm going to append the upcoming word. That's it. All the same anagrams are grouped in the value section in the dictionary. So next, the last and final step is return the values in the dictionary. Return our dictionary's values. That's it. Let's see how this code runs. Yeah, that's it. It was not a hard problem if you know the dictionary concept very well. So I want you guys to learn the dictionary concept very well and solve this problem with me together. And if you guys have any doubt regarding this problem, you can always comment on my video and I will reply everybody as soon as possible. So that's it. If you guys like this tutorial, like my video, subscribe my channel and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my future tutorials. Meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.